The Torchbeam 7-6, 5-7 LED headlights offer a significant upgrade in brightness, boasting a remarkable 300% increase in illumination compared to standard headlights. Manufactured by Torchbeam, a trusted name in automotive lighting, these headlights are designed for optimum performance and durability. With a focus on practicality, the headlights feature a dust-proof design, making them suitable for various driving conditions. Constructed with high-quality acrylic lens material and an exterior chrome finish, the Torchbeam headlights not only enhance visibility on the road, but also add a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's appearance. The model LS1024 is specifically tailored for vehicles from the year 2016, ensuring a seamless fit and easy installation process. The carefully engineered design of the Torchbeam headlights provides both high and low beam options, allowing drivers to adjust the lighting according to their needs. Whether navigating dimly lit roads or driving in ADVA,